Welcome to our educational video for widgets. In this video, we'll introduce a versatile widget called Generic Progress Bar. This widget can be an output widget showing the progress by increasing or decreasing the liquid column. Once the knob is enabled, this widget becomes an input widget behaving like a slider. The widget's orientation can be horizontal or vertical, and we will show you how to change it. Let's bring in the first Generic Progress Bar widget, create a register, and bind it to this widget. The behavior setting is to set the maximum and minimum values this progress bar can present. Then there are settings for the liquid column style, called bar line style setting. In this setting, you can set color, gradient, border, and shadow. In a generic progress bar, ADE allows 3 segments of liquid color. The second segment setup is similar to the previous one, but users have to enable this segment and set the starting value for entering this segment. Since we'd like to turn this widget to an input widget, we have to enable the knob. The knob is used to slide the liquid column. ADE offers several knob style settings. The line padding is to set the space between the liquid column and the border of the bore. In practice, these settings control the size of the liquid column. Then we go to the bar background setting. With that, we complete the setting for the first generic progress bar. Next, let's bring in the second generic progress bar widget. We'd like to turn the orientation and make this widget a vertical slider. We then set up the parameters for this second widget. We'd like to create a knob with a different style. For the third widget, we'd like to make it an output widget. After binding the register, we don't want to enable the knob. Finally, we add 2 generic buttons for increasing and decreasing the value of the register bond with the third generic progress bar. Now let's turn our attention to the simulator. The horizontal slider's liquid column changes its color as the knob moves to the second and third segments. The widget on the right is a vertical slider. The liquid column's color remains the same regardless of the knob position. This reflects our design intention. The third progress bar is designed as an output widget. We use the 2 buttons on the right to move the liquid column. Thank you for watching this video. ADE